Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by pinning down the domain and inner product convention. This matters because hermeticity ties to the inner product. Once done, ensure the operator's domain is dense so a joint exists. Next, compute the formal adjoint by integrating by parts or using matrix conjugate transpose rules in your basis. Make sure you state whether is linear in the second slot, differences flip signs. If domains differ, you must address extensions now. Now compute it explicitly by solving phi, epsi equals chi, psi for chi, and identifying chi equals a phi. You should carry out integration by parts or algebraic conjugation carefully. Boundary terms reveal domain issues. Once done, test equality on a dense set of vectors. Verify epsi equals psi on their common domain. If you find extra terms or missing boundary conditions, note them. These indicate the operator. Finish by confirming both operator action and domain match exactly. Only then is the operator Hermitian, self-adjoint. You should test with several independent vectors and compute deficiency indices if possible. 0 indices imply a unique self-adjoint extension. If you find domain mismatch or leftover boundary terms, don't panic. Adjust domain or impose boundary conditions to remove them, or construct self-adjoint extensions. One troubleshooting tip: if boundary terms persist, try alternate dense domains or matching boundary conditions to restore equality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.